finding the side length of a rectangle given its perimeter or area. So these are going to be problems where we need to find a side length given a perimeter or area. You're going to need to know the perimeter formula and the area formula for a rectangle for these types of problems. So before I even read the problem, let me write those two formulas down. The area formula for a rectangle is going to be the length times the width, and the perimeter formula is going to be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So this problem says the area of a rectangular painting is 5,742 centimeters squared. If the length of the painting is 87 centimeters, what is its width? Sometimes students get a little bit caught up in the centimeter squared thing. Don't worry, this is just units. It's just how we measure area. Don't worry about the squared. It doesn't mean that you need to square this thing. Just ignore. So we're going to use the area formula here because we were given area, and we just need to pick out the information that we know. We're told that the area is 5,742 centimeters squared, and that the length is 87 centimeters. We're asked to find the width. So if area is equal to length times width, and we know that the area is 5,742, and we know that the length is 87, so I'm just replacing this guy right here with 87, and I replaced the A with the 5,742. And then times W would just be W. So we have 5,742 is equal to 87W. Now we just need to solve for W. It's simple enough. We're just going to divide both sides by 87 here. This is not something I'm going to do in my head. So 5,742 divided by 87. That's going to give me 66 equal to W. Technically, we should put units on this, so technically the width is equal to 66 centimeters, but Alex does put the units in there for you. So that's it. That's all it takes. So let's do one where we're given the perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangular garden is 366 feet. If the width of the garden is 84 feet, what is its length? Because we are given the perimeter in this problem, we're going to be using the perimeter formula, which is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. We're given the perimeter, it's 366 feet. So instead of the P, I'm going to go ahead and put 366 is equal to. The other bit of information we were given is the width. The width of the garden is 84 feet. So instead of this W here, I'm going to put 84. So I'm going to leave 2L alone, 2L plus 2 times 84. So we just need to solve for L from here. So 366 is equal to 2L plus 2 times 84 is going to be 168. Subtract 168 on both sides. You're going to get 198 is equal to 2L. Divide by 2. And you're going to get 99. 99 equal to L. So that's that. Your length is equal to 99 feet. So it's just a matter on these problems of plugging in what you know and then solving for the remaining variable. The other part is knowing the two formulas, the perimeter formula and the area formula, and you will be good to go.